So in this design wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to bold text here in design wizard. So once you have design wizard open up on your device, what I want you to do is add some text to your document. So go to the left hand side of your screen, go to the text icon right here, select on that, then select either add heading, add a subheading, or add a paragraph. We're just going to go ahead and press on add heading. Then once you hear what I want you to do is just type in whatever text you want. So for this demonstration, I'm going to type in bold text just like that. What I'm also going to do is actually just make this font a little bit larger in size so it's easier for you guys to see. So if you want to bold the text, first thing you have to do is press on the text you want. Now if you want to bold a specific button or sorry, a specific word or a specific letter, just highlight it what you want. So if I wanted to highlight the word bold right here, go to the top, slide to this B right here to where it says bold, and simply just press on bold. And if you press on it, it actually bolds it. Now, this is not a good example because I believe this font is already bolded. So if I wanted to change the text right here, how about I change the text to something different? We'll just go able right there. Perfect. This was a good demonstration. As you can tell, this text is bolded and this text is not. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can bold text here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.